Welcome back to the Dark Room Cypher. Here we step out of the ordinary world and into the shadows, piecing together mysteries that most are too afraid to touch. Tonight, we look up, not at the moon, not at Mars, but at something said to be circling our very planet. It's been called alien. It's been called ancient. Some believe it's a satellite placed in orbit thousands of years before mankind discovered flight. NASA says it's space junk, but the truth, as always, lies somewhere in the shadows. This is the conspiracy of the Black Knight satellite, the origins of the legend, Tesla's strange signals, 1899. In Colorado Springs, Nikola Tesla claimed to have received unusual radio transmissions while experimenting with early wireless technology. He believed the signals were not natural background noise, but a deliberate, intelligent pattern, possibly communications from beings beyond Earth. Some researchers later tied these signals to the Black Knight, suggesting it could have been transmitting signals for over a century. The 1920s long delay echoes. In the 1920s, scientists in Norway and elsewhere detected radio echoes that returned seconds after transmission, too delayed to be normal. Theories included ionospheric reflection, but one idea was that an artificial object in space was reflecting or relaying the signals. In the 1970s, researcher Duncan Lunan claimed to decode these echoes, suggesting they were a star map pointing toward Epsilon Bootis, a binary star system. Was this a cosmic calling card? The 1950s newspaper reports. In 1954, newspapers like the St. Louis Dispatch and the San Francisco Examiner ran stories about the U.S. Air Force tracking two mysterious objects in Earth's orbit. This was before the Soviet Union launched Sputnik in 1957, officially the first human-made satellite. So what were the Air Force seeing? These reports later became a key part of the Black Knight myth, suggesting something artificial was already circling Earth. The NASA photographs, 1998. The discovery. During NASA's STS-88 mission, the first shuttle flight to the International Space Station, astronauts photographed a large, dark object orbiting Earth. The images quickly spread, with UFO enthusiasts calling it the first clear evidence of the Black Knight. NASA's official explanation. NASA stated the object was a thermal blanket that had accidentally drifted away during construction work on the ISS. According to the agency, it looked strange because of the way light reflected off its folds and edges. The debate. Skeptics accepted the explanation, noting that objects like blankets or debris can appear alien when photographed in the harsh lighting of space. Believers countered, how could a flimsy blanket appear so solid, so structured? Some claimed the object looked like a craft, with angles too sharp to be fabric. Ancient connections, legends and myths. Ancient cultures, from the Sumerians to the Dogon tribe of Africa, described beings from the stars who came to Earth with knowledge. Some conspiracy theorists argue the Black Knight could be their vessel, left behind to monitor humanity's progress. The Epsilon Bootis hypothesis. Duncan Lunan's interpretation of the long delay echoes suggested they were instructions pointing to the Epsilon Bootis star system. According to him, the message implied the satellite had been orbiting Earth for 13,000 years. Critics dismissed his findings as flawed science, but the idea stuck, fueling decades of speculation. The Watcher theory. Some theorists claim the Black Knight isn't a satellite in the human sense at all, but a probe designed to observe and report. Could it be part of a much larger alien surveillance network, quietly tracking intelligent species across the galaxy? Counter-arguments and skepticism. Space junk theory. Scientists argue the Black Knight legend is simply a collection of unrelated space objects and misunderstood events. With over 100 million pieces of debris orbiting Earth, it's not surprising that unusual shapes appear in photos. Myth building. Skeptics suggest that conspiracy enthusiasts stitch together Tesla's signals, the long delay echoes, the 1950s reports, and NASA's photos into a single narrative. Each piece, when examined on its own, has rational explanations. But together, they form the legend of the Black Knight. Government silence. NASA and other agencies rarely address the Black Knight directly, which conspiracy theorists see as suspicious. To skeptics, it's simply because there's nothing to the story. But for believers, silence is confirmation that something is being hidden. What if it's real? Alien technology. If the Black Knight is real, it could be an alien probe, evidence that extraterrestrials have been observing humanity for millennia. It may not even be active in ways we understand. Perhaps it's gathering data in methods beyond human comprehension. Lost human civilization. Another theory suggests it could be a remnant of an ancient human civilization wiped out long ago. If advanced humans existed in prehistory, the Black Knight might be their last surviving artifact, a warning or a guardian. Some interpret it as a neutral observer, while others fear it may be a sentinel, a system waiting for humanity to reach a certain threshold of development. Is it a watchful protector or a prison guard, ensuring we never leave Earth unnoticed? So, what do we make of the Black Knight satellite? Is it a myth woven from misunderstood signals and stray debris? Or is it the most significant evidence that humanity is not alone? Proof hidden in plain sight, orbiting above our heads every single day. Maybe it's waiting, maybe it's listening, or maybe it's watching just as we are watching the skies. The cipher remains unsolved. This is the Dark Room Cypher. Until next time, keep your eyes on the dark.